Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss some important MCQs from the poem My Last Duchess. It is composed by Robert Browning. So let's start. Question number 1. Who wrote the poem My Last Duchess? Answer is Robert Browning. Question number 2. The poem My Last Duchess first appeared in Browning's dramatic lyrics. Question number 3. The poem My Last Duchess is written in 28 rhyming couplets of iambic pentameter. Question number 4. What is the Duke in the midst of planning? Answer is a new marriage. Question number 5. What is meant by the phrase a spot of joy? Answer is a blush. Question number 6. What is the rhyme scheme of the poem? Answer is enjambed rhyming couplets. Question number 7. Who is the narrator or speaker of the poem? Answer is a Duke. Question number 8. Where is the Duchess? Who is the subject of the poem? Answer is she is dead. Question number 9. What effect does the repeated enjambment have in this poem? Answer is the Duke is an accomplished speaker. Question number 10. Considering its tone, the Duke's monologue is best described as charade. Question number 11. Which of the following phrase gives the reader the impression that the Duke was a fond husband? Answer is she had a heart, how shall I say, too soon made glad. Question number 12. How old did the Duke say his name is? Answer is 900 years. Question number 13. What is the object of Duke's discussion at the beginning of the poem? Answer is a painting of his last duchess. Question number 14. What is the current object of the Duke's desire? Answer is the Count's daughter. Question number 15. What is the structure of this poem? Answer is rhymed iambic pentameter. Question number 16. What does the Duke mean by her looks went everywhere? Answer is she did not pay enough attention to the Duke. Question number 17. What is the object of the Duke's discussion at the beginning of the poem? Answer is painting of the Duchess. Question number 18. How would the tone of this poem best be described? Answer is unsettling. Question number 19. The Duke hates his wife's generous nature. Next question. The portrait of the last Duchess is painted in one day. Question number 20. The portrait of the sea god is made of bronze. Question number 21. Where is the Duke and his companions? Answer is on the grand staircase. Question number 22. Then all smile stops together. Who called this line a tragedy in 5 words? Answer is Robinson. Question number 23. The Duke is a lover of art. Question number 24. What happened to the Duke's last Duchess? Answer is he gave commands and her smile stops together. Question number 25. My Last Duchess is written in blank verse. Question number 26. The poem was first published in 1842. Question number 27. Who called My Last Duchess as one of the finest dramatic monologues, not only of Browning but in the whole range of English literature? Answer is Phillips. Next question. Who was Fra Pendulope? Answer is a monk. Question number 28. How the Duke is in the poem My Last Duchess? Answer is greedy and cruel. Question number 29. The poem My Last Duchess is a dramatic monologue. Question number 30. Which of the following poem is known for its dense and epigrammatic style? Answer is My Last Duchess. Question number 31. Browning died in 1889 at Venice. Question number 32. Robert Browning was a Victorian poet. Question number 33. The main theme of Browning's My Last Duchess is jealousy. Question number 34. The Duke in the My Last Duchess belongs to 16th century. Question number 35. Where does this poem take place? Answer is Ferrara, Italy. Question number 36. Her mental lapse over my lady's wrist too much. Here, mental means a clock. Question number 37. Who was the sculptor of Neptune in the poem? Answer is Claus of Innsbruck. Question number 38. What does the Duke say that he will never do? Answer is stop. Question number 39. What does the Duke say was one of the faults of the Duchess? Answer is she smiled too much. Question number 40. Who brought the Duchess a gift of cherries? Answer is some officious fool. Question number 41. What is the name of the sea god as described in My Last Duchess? Answer is Neptune. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel.